Friends, hello everyone. My name is Roman Kornev, and you are on the channel about stock trading. If you have been trading on Forex or cryptocurrency market for a long time, you know that the most important news for a trader is the non-farm, and it is released on Friday at the beginning of every month. But here is an interesting fact. This Friday, there will be no non-farm. Where did it go? Did Iran start bombing the US or something else happen? No, it's just that the US has an Independence Day holiday on Friday, and that's why non-farm payrolls have been moved from Friday to Thursday. If you are subscribed to my channel, of course, you will not miss this news. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my Telegram channel via the link in the description. There are 30 minutes before the release of important news, such as non-farm and other important news. I warn everyone and we make money on it together. Right now I will show my reversal points, where to buy, where to sell, how to make money in the MetaTrader platform quickly and reliably. I will also show you which currency pair my trading robot trades best on. So let's get started. So on Thursday, July 3, there will be the non-farm payrolls news, and the previous value is 139,000 and the forecast is 129,000. It's a small change, but it means a decrease in the number of non-farm payrolls, and it's negative news for the US. If the data is confirmed and the data is worse than predicted, we are likely to see a strong weakening movement of the dollar in the moment. That is, the dollar may decline, and for example the euro-dollar currency pair, on which we usually trade the dollar, that is the most popular currency pair, it may grow at this moment. So in order not to miss this news, subscribe to my Telegram channel and follow the release of this news. Let's take a look at the euro-dollar chart and what's in store for us this week. I will say a couple of words for those who are just starting to trade on the stock exchange. Look, the market moves very fast sometimes. This turquoise square below is a reversal point, which I give in my VIP channel. If you want, subscribe. I give selected signals, selected reversal point. If we had bought here in this place and sold here, where the second square is, we would have caught a movement. Let's measure it with a ruler. 177 points. That means we could have made $177 trading one standard lot, and in just a few minutes. See, these are these green candles. 1, 2, 3 rising candles. Where the price is rising, they are marked on the M5 time frame. That means it's only been 15 minutes. 3 candles of 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Well, in order to trade one standard lot in the MetaTrader platform, a deposit of only $100 and a broker with leverage is enough. On the link in the description of this video, you will find the brokers I work with that have good leverage. Let's take another look at this move. It was only 177 pips, and the total movement is about 300 pips. It's not that big of a move. At the time of a news release, such as non-farms, in which we are expecting on Friday, there has been movement before of 300, 500, and 700 pips. Therefore, our task is to find such movements, important news, and enter the market in time, buy and sell in time. If you are just starting to study the financial market, are still weak in concepts, terms, something seems difficult to you, do not hesitate. Follow the link in the description. The link, get a free trading course, and get a free trading course from me if you open an account through the link of the broker I work with. Let's take another look at the euro-dollar chart and what are some reversal points new this week that you can capitalize on. Now, the euro-dollar is in an uptrend. The trend is likely to continue, but if there are small corrections, look, there was a correction here. Yes, there is a correction. Although the trend is upward, but periodically there are corrections. It is quite possible that such a correction will be further. If it goes to these two lines, these are resistance lines. Now they will be mirror lines of support, or rather even a support zone. It will be possible to buy from this first line and make money on growth. I expect that there will be an upward correction here. And if the price goes further down, the second support line is waiting for it here. From this line, you can also buy and make money on the growth. Or to average, if you open the first order and the price went further down, then it will be possible to buy again. This strategy, by the way, is called the averaging strategy. I have a detailed video about this strategy on my channel. Be sure to watch it. And even more so if you are starting to trade on the stock exchange. Pay attention to the currency pair British pound to Japanese yen. It's a bit of a similar situation. It's also in an uptrend. If the price goes down, there will be a reversal point. From this line, you can buy and make money on short-term growth. Now let's look at the currency pair British pound to Swiss franc. This is an interesting currency pair. First of all, there are reversal points for manual entry here. Let's look at a support line like this. Here we have a reversal point like this. Here you can buy and make money on the growth. Well, in general, the currency pair is moving, as you have already noticed, in such a good sideways trend with strong correction. Look, the price goes down, then up. Price goes down, then up. There's no directional movement. That says you can run it on my Fly Dynamic trading robot in buy-sell mode at the same time. Who likes to look for sideways trends, take a closer look at this British pound Swiss franc pair. If you haven't tried my trading robot yet, please write to the link in the description in Telegram. I will tell you how to get it for free. You are probably waiting for my comments on gold. Gold, despite its long-term uptrend, has now stopped in such a triangular sideways pattern. Flag pennant, you can find anything here. But that's not important. What is important is where we have support and resistance lines, where we can find reversal point. Here I see a support line. The price has almost reached it. It's at $3,245 per troy luns. And as soon as we come to it, there will be a reversal point. Here you can buy and make money on the growth. I'm counting on a short-term movement. Even if we go into drawdown, I think the long-term uptrend will still pull us out. So who has their own planned risks? Also, do not forget about the high of 3,500, the historical high, when the price reaches here. Here you can also sell and make money on the decline, which was actually with the S&P 500. Who is subscribed to my channel, I think, saw in my video the day before last, I gave a signal on the S&P 500. The free correction came right from the all-time high. The same thing is likely to happen in gold, so put an alert, notification, or just subscribe to my Telegram channel. I'll warn you about it. By the way, look, there's one more high here. It's also likely to be a reversal point. So there's gonna be steps. You know, the price is gonna come up, bounce, 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 before it gets over this bar. And it's a normal story when the price bounces off some lines like that every time. So watch gold. Gold is going to make us a lot more money. Well, if you have already earned money and withdraw it to your cryptocurrency wallets in USDT, it is not necessary to exchange it into rubles if you live in Russia, but just use a cryptocurrency wallet. I use the crypto wallet, which is on the link in the description. Pay in RF crypto stores. Just pay by QR code in stores directly at the cash register through this cryptocurrency wallet and pay at ruble terminals. No need to exchange USDT for rubles. Use any intermediaries, P2P services, gray schemes. Just pay for everything. It's very convenient. I also remind you that if you do not load YouTube or other sites, or broker sites do not open, you can use the application on the link in the description. The app is for a safe internet. Also, if you trade, well, I, for example, as a trader, I often travel. I trade in cafes, restaurants, somewhere in train stations, in airports, connecting to Wi-Fi, to the internet of a third party, someone else's. To be safe, I recommend using the Safe Internet app at the link in the description. Download it, install it, very fast connection. Will open all sites. The main thing is safe, because the data is encrypted and very good connection speed. If it was useful, put a like, write in the comments what currency pairs you trade, whether you trade with gold. I wish you all a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye bye.